Now I'm just pulling it out of the box. I don't want you to think there's any monkey business going around because I have not looked at this yet. This is a nice LED one. Man, this is light. Okay. So, first thing I have to do is determine, wow, how light this is make sure I know where the bottom is. And it has protector tape on there, but I can still put this down on the ground just to protect it like that. Okay. Boy. Looking at this, not quite sure how these brackets are going to mount on there just yet. It almost looks like something has to be placed on there. I don't know, maybe this has to be snapped. See, I found those in another TV too, and I wasn't quite sure what the story was with that. And obviously it does not come with any bracket information, but usually there's screws on the back of this that you can fish down in there. But see, obviously you can see that these little screws are not going to work for this. And man, I'm not even quite sure what fits in there. I'm going to have to take a closer look at this. I'm not even sure if there's threads down in there. Yeah, you know, I do see threads. These holes go down. These holes go down quite a ways. Normally you can see the threads right up the top. But it's way down there. And so my first thing I have to do is just see if this is even going to fit there. And see if I'm going to be able to reach my screwdriver up there. I might have to shim this out, you know, with some washers underneath there and raise it up a little bit like that, so I have enough room to put this on the wall and get a bolt down through there with the right types of threads. Well, it looks like a little bit of a trial and error. I think I'm going to have to go to the store and get some screws, get some washers, raise this up. Because see, I need to go to there. Because see, this tip is almost sticking above the TV. And I remember this is the bottom. And I'm going to verify that. Sure enough, the writing is down here at the bottom. I know that's right. And see if I could build this up. See, usually on TV wall mounts, they'll give you plastic inserts and stuff that you can maybe stack on here and raise it up. But see, if I get it up this high, then I can slide this over this and I can keep this down from the top. That's not going to work. If I bolt it just like that, this is tight. It's going to be tight to the wall. I can't even get my little pinky screwdriver up there. You see, I'm going to have to get my screwdriver up there to tighten this up. And I won't have that, will I? Because this is going to be right up against the wall now. So I've got to get enough washers to build that up that high. Yeah, but I think I can do it. Boy, at least 5/8 of an inch of washers, and I'll have to get some different bolts. Make sure I get the right thread, and then I'm going to have to get different links on that, and then I could even get some more washers up here in case I have to, in case I get the wrong size length of bolt at the store. Then I could put some washers on the top too. Okay, so I'm going to have to do a little measuring. I'm going to have to run to the store, And I may have to get 3 or 4 different sizes of bolts, the thread pattern, because I'm not sure what that thread pattern is. Boy, they wanted Joe to pull a rabbit out of his hat on this one. And so the width of the bolt looks like about a 1/4 inch, and I'm not sure what the threads are, so I'll have to go to the store and measure some different ones and maybe get metric and standard threads, come back here, try them, get my washers, make sure my washer isn't larger than 1 inch in diameter. See, that would be fine, or even 3/4 of an inch in diameter. Okay, wow. Okay, well, hey, all in a day's work on Maui. I'll get her. Stick with me, and I'll be back in a flash. That's all I have for this time, but I'll be back with more videos